Sorry. I apologize. I always forget.
О, ты тут, здорово.
What do you think you're tough? Huh? Get these fresh paps, huh? How you feel about that? Ain't nobody scary. Oh, okay, you think you got you one? Okay, I choked a little bit on that one, but I'm back. You know, I regrouped. Well, listen up. Let me show you how to really fish. You pull it up and then you grab it up. Whew, see, you got to jump up and catch the fish, man. These fishermen lazy out here. They just stand there and pull it in slow. I jump up and catch the fish. It's a real catfish. Let me show y'all again right here. You pull it up and then you... Chad, you see these ear tips over here? Right over... They moving. Oh, they moving. The tips is moving. Oh, wait, hold on. I'm the tip. I'm the tips. The tips is on me. Chad, the tips is... I'm the tip. This is what my ears have been looking like the whole time. They're like soft horns that you can bend and move. I can hear them moving. Yo, Chad, man, why you ain't tell me this? Man, get your filthy nail clipping hands off me, man. Pedicures is for pussy cats. And no, the butcher knife of paralysis that was forged by Odin himself. Oh, you a real piece of work. When I get out of here, you're finished. Just wake your ass up, Terrence. Don't be pulling that falling asleep mess on me, Terrence. The food portion of my dish is empty, Terrence. I'm about to go scratch the home of your... In here with his little lavish sleep. Look at him. Dreaming about unlimited catnip and toilet tissue rolls. Now get your fuck out. Natalie, wait, it's time. Brrr. Natalie, it's 8:15. I seen your little eyes move, Natalie. Come on now, it's 8. Natalie, it's 8:15. Come on now, Natalie. It's 8:15. I'm going easy on the slaps. I know you up. I see your little eyes move. Natalie, man, it's 8:15, man. Get your ass up. It's time. Wait a minute, hold up. I know you ain't over here making the duck face. Girl, I done told you about the duck face, man.
Okay. What? Are you gonna jump? Don't jump! Pussy. Oh, I'm sorry.
I'm fucking helping. You did it. You're helping. You're gonna pick this up one little kernel at a time. And you're gonna like it because I'm fucking fed up with your bullshit. I'm gonna be a horrible father one day because of you fucks.
Help! 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 Alicia! Oh my god! Oh my... Can you close the door? Thank you.
Always running y'all fucking mouth. Get your Here we go. Got it.
My two kitty cats. My three. Ooh.
Eita, doido, isso do caralho. Que porra é isso, meu irmão? Ele tá assustado, FJ. Oh my god.
你下去，下去，下去一下。哎，你下去一下，下去一下，不许一下。哎。
De energieprijzen blijven onder druk staan. Zolang er een oorlog is in Oekraïne, zolang er onzekerheid is over de voorraad van olie en gas uit Rusland, ja, gaan die prijzen hoog blijven. Want wat we daar niet meer willen, waar elders op de wereld naar moeten komen. Want de prijs gaat niet stijgen. Dus
their own laptop. They'll leave you alone. And look at this little businessman!
Oh, bitch, you got me fucked up. Bitch, I'm in your shit. Bitch, 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 bitch,